Two professions, one goal. Make business. When cover style meets paint. Let's see what is possible with both solutions on one and the same wall. As oops! Yes, we need to renew our walls now, as not just coffee can create such issues. Ready, go! Paint is a good and solid solution, but not always the best solution in order to fulfill the client's needs. Your client might be picky or simply in a hurry. Your client might even have a vision of marble or concrete, something paint simply cannot recreate. Make the impossible possible for your client. As there are no issues, but only solutions. Better together. Request your personal coaching or attend one of our trainings. The business solution with cover style.